So what's your luck today? Oh, I'm sorry. I must have ruined it by asking.
Oh, alright, who did that? No, you guys, we decided. Okay, we're a bunch, we're together. Somebody farted, and somebody needs to claim it. And don't do it again. Gary! Hey, you over there. You want to come over here and see what it feels like to sit on some wood? But that's it, you guys. I've fallen down, and I'm never going to be attached to, the tree ever again. And, I guess I'll say my goodbyes now. I mean, it's not rocket science. I'm a bush, and that's what it is. I'm a total bush. Bushwagged, bush-lacked, I'm all those things. I am a bush.